What is up, people? This is Fenomenon. And this is really hard to vlog, man, after a very long time. Okay, anyways, I'm back on YouTube. Would try to be consistent. I know that I've been promising that from quite a long time now, but no, some of the other issue, and I'm not able to upload. So, any which ways, this time I have a product which we are going to be installing onto my Duke 390. So rather than making you wait, here it is. That is a tail tidy for the Duke 390 and the Duke 250, the newer ones, the 2017 and 2018 Dukes. Alright, so this was purchased via Amazon. This is by a company known as Katalyst Motorsports. So you can take a closer look here. It is finished in matte black scheme. This thing is hard steel, powder coated in black matte. So here are the the slots for the indicators, and followed by the tail light, the light which comes onto your number plate, that would be fitted here, and the license plate itself. So you have 4 bolts here which would get mounted after removing the OEM tail tidy, OEM tail, not tidy. Any which ways, so this thing costs around 1899. I know it's expensive, but rather than doing a jugaad, I thought of getting a laser cut product rather than playing around with those 2 putties and mounting your license plate on that. You have no guarantee whether that will sustain your pathetic Indian roads. So I thought of investing $1900 on a tail tidy. I know it's a bit too much. Anyways, if you compare it with the RNGs are way too expensive, so it's better to opt in for something like this. So in the I have actually already unboxed this thing just to check whether everything was fine at the time of delivery. So this is what you get inside the package. Here is a instruction manual and this pipe. This would be used to route your indicator wires under your seat, and other than that you have 2 lock nuts, 6 Allen bolts of real good quality, and Allen key. So that is what you get in the box. So without wasting much time, let's head down and install this thing. Alright, so this is a stock Fender here. You can see the difference actually. That's shorter, okay? Do one thing, I'll remove this thing and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so firstly you got to remove the zip tie and search for the connector which of these 2 indicators and the light here. Alright, after removing the zip ties, you have 3 connectors here. 2 are of the indicators and one is the one is that of the light here. So you have to disconnect all these 3 and remove this tail section. Alright, so this is how the tail portion looks like. We have 3 connectors here, 2 are of the indicators and 1 is of the light here. You can see how the bike looks with a clean tail. Let me show you the length of this, the difference between both these tail tidies. So this is how it is. You can see the size difference. So anyways, I'll do one thing now. I'll remove the indicators and then get back to you. Anyways, I'll be removing this only after monsoons because it's showering here on and off, so that wouldn't be a good idea to remove this particular mud guard. Anyways, what I'll do, I'll head home, I'll go on top, remove all the peripherals from this, the light, the indicators, and I'll have to remove the cable from this particular housing, and I'll mount everything onto the new tail tidy and come and fix it. Alright, so this is how it basically looks like with the indicators on. Okay, by the way, this is MC jugaad that I have done. So this particular indicator had broken. It actually works perfectly, so I thought of applying MC and prolonging its life. So other than that, here is the license plate light, and we have routed all the cables from through this pipe, as you can see here. So looks pretty neat. So here are the 3 cables. These 2 are of the indicators and this is of the license plate light. Anyways, so I'll head down and install this now. Alright, the tail tidy is connected. Here are the 3 wires of the indicators and the license plate light. So I have to connect it, and that should be all. This is how the tail tidy looks. As you can see, it is mounted with these 4 LED bolts here, and all the wires are routed here using this small pipe. So this is how the bike looks like with the Fender Eliminator. See the difference? Once that tire hugger is gone, it's gonna look killer. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, ride safe. Catch you guys soon.